So not for profit organization, correct, right? The last unit, maybe I'm telling, no one will tell this concept only. Whole university they will left this chapter only because maybe some adjustments are done. That is very difficult to reach you people. I am trying to reach you. I am telling. Sit there only. So not for, see, usually commerce students, always we are thinking about profit, right? Always we are thinking about what? That is the reason we are going to start business only. Business, manufacturing, everything, that is commerce related. Commerce is what? Profit related, right? Commerce word itself is profit related. So here, this is what they are telling, not profit, right? This will start at not for profit, giving service, right? Giving service. Giving charity, correct, right? Sports club, correct, right? You know sports club, no?
Yes, sir.
They are giving service, right?
Yes.
For them also, they need capital, they need fund, correct, no, man? You know, old days they are giving service, no?
Yes, sir.
Correct, no, man? You know that concept also. They are not doing for profit only. They are giving for what? Service related. For them also, they want fund. Correct, right? How they are getting? See, whoever visiting. Whoever visiting there are subscription, right? Meaning of subscription what? Subscription means what? We are giving something amount regularly. Public will giving what? Regularly, year wise they are giving subscription. They are telling 1,000 rupees per person. Year wise they are giving what? So for us it is a service, right? They are providing service. We are supporting them. Public is supporting. Correct, right? Subscription also one of the income for them. Correct, right? Subscription also one of the income for them. See something. Lifetime subscription they are taking. Immediately they are giving one time lakhs together. Who is having money now? They are thinking, oh, so this is we are giving to service. Who are providing service? They are giving that money to them, right? 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh they are giving. Where ma? Who are providing service? Who are providing? For them also they are giving some lifetime subscription. See, for example, institutions I am telling. We are collecting fees, right? Students' fees, correct, no, ma? Regular fees. That is also one type of income, right? Correct, no, ma? One more word is there. Legacies is there. For example, legacy, I am telling the meaning of legacy is, see, they are having, after earning so much, public what they will think, no? If their children are not doing better, not doing good thing, there are so many reasons, they will transfer everything to that service providing business only, right? Correct, no, ma?
Yes, sir.
They don't have children. What they will think? They have crores of together amount. They will transfer whole thing to them only, right? That is called legacies. This is also one type of income for them, right? So this is purely not for profit. Then don't think it is difficult. I am telling, don't think it is difficult. It is easy only. What we are doing now, trading and profit loss account and balance sheet, right?
Yes, sir.
Trading and profit loss account,
Yes, sir.
balance sheet. That we are doing. You know, right? Trading and profit loss account, balance sheet. Instead of that, we are doing income and expenditure account and balance sheet. Income and expenditure account and
Balance sheet.
don't worry, it's very simple. But there are different words are there to try to get that meaning only. If you are getting that meaning only now, everything should be clear. So this is about not for profit. We are preparing income and expenditure account as well as balance sheet. Income and expenditure account as well as balance sheet. Income and expenditure, if they are asking section B, both that side. Income and expenditure, if they are asking, that is section B. Section B, what they are asking? Section C, both they will ask. Income and expenditure account as well as balance sheet. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Don't worry, it's very easy if you concentrate. Where what is income is what? That too, what date? 31st March 2024, right? This is what? Sports club, huh? Golden Sports Club. Correct, right? Sports club. For the year ending 31st 3/2024, huh? Now I'll read. I'm explaining with reading only. Huh? See, check first one. Outstanding salary. Outstanding salary. This is the balance sheet. 31st March 2024, right? Yes, sir. The balance sheet 31st March 2024. Correct, right, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
So, outstanding salary. Last year's salary, that is unpaid, right?
Yes, sir.
Outstanding salary. Last year's salary?
Unpaid.
Is it this year's salary? Huh?
No, sir. Last year.
This we are preparing for the current year only. Whatever excluding. Sit there only. Sit there only. See, outstanding salary. That salary related to last year, right? Last year balance sheet is only. Ending year balance sheet. So outstanding salary is what? Salary that is last year due, right? Not related to this year. Correct, right, ma'am? See, this we are preparing only for current year. Whatever that we are excluding, we are minusing. Sure, huh? Outstanding salary, what? We are minusing, right? Outstanding salary, that is salary only, last year's salary, that is outstanding. So, I should minus, right?
Yes, sir.
Writing. This is expenditure, this is?
Income.
So, expenditure, correct, right? Salary is expenditure only. Outstanding salary, how much, ma'am?
7,000.
7,000. Correct, huh? Payroll. See, don't worry about double entry. First we'll read that question only. Outstanding salary, payroll. Subscription received in advance. Subscription received in advance. Subscription received in advance. Is it last year or this year?
This year.
Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
As it is prepaid expenditure, right?
Yes, sir.
Advance is what? Last year only we received, that is related to this year only.
Yes, sir.
Correct meaning of prepaid expenditure I said. For example, we have so much amount, we paid next year advance amount, rent amount, that relates to next year, right? This year, this is what? Income, right? So this is subscription received in advance, that relates to current year only. Sure, huh?
Yes, sir.
Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
It's income, right?
Yes, sir.
I said. So for charity and all, we are receiving subscription from outside only, public only. That's one type of income. Subscription received in income. Subscription received in advance, huh?
Yes, sir.
How much? Huh?
4,000.
4,000. Next to? Capital fund. So we have capital fund, that is belongs to balance sheet, huh?
Yes, sir.
Balance sheet only. You know, capital fund, it's a liability. So capital fund. How much, ma?
150,500.
50,500, huh?
Yes, sir.
Now assets, right?
Yes, sir.
See, cash in hand, last year balance sheet, receipts and payment. See, we have cash in hand, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
that is last year check amount, sir. Balance brought down in receipts and payment account for the year end 31st March 2024 to balance brought down. That becomes, here is there, right? Check once, cash in hand, how much, sir?
15,500.
Don't write. Because they are only transferring, right?
Yes, sir.
They are transferring there only. That is in balance to balance brought down. Here that is cash in hand. That is transferred there only. Don't transfer that amount. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
They are transferring immediately. Before only that is transfer. Don't transfer. Now what? Sports material. I should write income and expenditure account or liability balance sheet.
Balance sheet.
Whatever we are using for long term, that's our balance sheet. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
That's our balance sheet, right? We are not using regular days. One time we are purchasing, we are using for that material long time, right? Sports material we are using for long term. See, in college also we have sports material, right?
Yes, sir.
Regularly we are purchasing, huh?
No,
One
sir.
time we are purchasing sports material. For that adjustment is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Depreciate sports material at 20% per annum. So I am writing in the column. What ma? Sports
Material.
how much of?
35,000.
Inner column, correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Because of adjustment. Next,
Furniture.
furniture adjustment is there? No, there is no adjustment. So I am writing furniture outer column
21,000.
21,000, right?
Yes, sir.
Land and Land and building. No adjustment, right? So I'm writing out the column only.
90,000.
Land and building. How much?
90,000.
90,000. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Just I'm transferring. Next, it's over, huh?
Yes, sir.
Now we have receipt side, payment account. So in receipt side, to balance brought down, that is over, right? 15,000 they are transferring there only. Subscription.
Income.
Is it income, right?
Yes,
we are
sir.
receiving public. We are receiving public amount. Subscription. Subscription. How much, ma?
50,000.
50,000. I should add, right? This is last year only we received. That amount relates to this year only, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
I'm adding later. Entrance fees. Entrance
Income.
fees. It's an income or expenditure.
Income.
Entrance fees what? Income, right?
Yes, sir.
We have to go to a sports club. We have to pay some fees, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct, Nama?
Yes, sir.
We have to visit sports club. They'll charge something, right? Entrance fee they'll charge. That is income for them, right? Income. See, you assume you are the sports manager, huh? You are receiving from your outsider, right?
Yes, sir.
How much you are receiving? Entrance fees you are receiving 6,000. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Entrance fees
6,000.
is the income. Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
Entrance fee. How much?
6,000.
Because of adjustment I am writing in the column. See, one word is there. Half of the entrance fee is right. That's what I am writing. Whatever adjustment I am writing in the column one. Next what? Sale of old newspaper. Sale of old newspaper. Is it income or expenditure?
Income.
We are receiving, right? Sale of old newspaper. Sale of old newspaper. How much? Ma? 3,000. Next to sports fee. Is it income or expenditure?
Income.
Collecting, right? Sports fee. Sports fee. How much? 9,500. Next to receipt is over, right?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Next. By salary. Is it expenditure, right?
Yes, sir.
They are paying. Sports club they are paying to their staff, right? Salary is expenditure. I should write here only, right? Salary. How much? Ma? 25,000. So outstanding salary, last year's salary is there. I should subtract, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
Next to again we are purchasing something. Correct, Nama?
Yes, sir.
One thing we have sports material, this much amount is there. Again we are purchasing. Payment is what? Purchasing, right? We are purchasing again sports material. Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
Again we are purchasing what?
Sports material.
Tell me, what getting right? Before only we have sports material. Again we are purchasing on 1/10/2023. 1/10. So we are preparing 31st May 2024. 1/10/23 to 31st March 2024, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Still ending is there. So 10 to you count 10, 11, 6 months, right?
Yes, sir.
Again we have to provide 6% depreciation. 6 month depreciation. Later I will calculate, but I am writing. Is it asset or income? Asset, right? One time we are purchasing. One time we are purchasing. So it's an asset. Again, sports material. 18,000. Na? In bracket you write 110. Na? 110. 23. How much now? 18,000. I wrote in my column because for sports material we have to provide depreciation, right? That's what I'm writing. Next to investments. Sonia, where I should write investments? First, don't waste my time. Investments. Right? Fast.
Expenditure, sir.
Expenditure. Investment is Rani. Asset side. Whatever we are using for long term, long time, land I should write there, huh? I should write there only, ma? Furniture I should there, huh? Where I should write? Because we are using long term, right? Whatever we are using more long term, we should write in balance sheet. Investment not regular. We are investing something in shares, capital, something for more than 2 years, 10 years, like that, right?
Yes.
Investment is what? Repeated there. One time here. Correct, huh? Investment is what? Asset, right?
Yes, sir.
Investments.
15,000.
Mayaka, we solved so many some trial balance, right? And that investment where you are writing? In trading and profit loss account, huh?
No, sir.
Where you are writing? Balance sheet. See, first one I said, don't get confused. This is as it is trial balance. What we say now, financial statement we solve now, same as it is. Instead of trading and profit loss account, we are preparing. This is same as it is. Don't worry about that. Word is different. Sit. Next one, postage. Aisha. Aisha, right? Alia. Tell me. Where I should write? Postage. Fast. Asset. So daily we are posting now. Postage expenditure. No? Regular is no?
Expenditure.
As it is printing and stationery. Printing and
Stationery.
postage also we are using regularly, not one time. We are purchasing stamp, right? Something we are purchasing now, that we are purchasing regularly, right?
Yes, sir.
Not one time. We are keeping that stamp regularly, one time. Huh?
No, sir.
Is it correct? Postage is what? Repeated expenditure. Postage is what? Repeated expenditure, not balance sheet. So I am writing postage. Postage how much now?
400.
For that, there is no adjustment, right?
No, sir.
Next what? Where? Regular, right?
Yes, sir.
Electricity charges. Second. Electricity charges how much?
1,000.
For that, there is no adjustment. 1,000.
600.
Next one. This upkeep of grounds. Cleaning grounds, right? Upkeep of grounds. How much more?
6,500.
6,000. Next one. So whatever we have at the end, it's our asset. We have cash balance of about how much more? 19,000. It's a cash, right?
Yes, sir.
19 current assets. Cash in hand. How much of? 19,000. Now you ask, any is missing in this question paper? One thing is missing, opening balance, that is there only transfer, that's why. Left remaining is override.
Yes, sir.
Sure, huh?
Yes, sir.
Now adjustment. Adjustment should be double entry. Adjustment should be double entry. Outstanding subscription for the year ending 31st/3/2024. How much, ma? 1,000. See, outstanding subscription for the year ending. Again, something we have to receive for subscription, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it belongs to next year or this year? I'll read once again. Outstanding subscription for the year ending 31st/3/2024. Next year, huh?
This year.
Next year only, correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Something Alia said she will give 1,000 subscription but not giving, right? Correct, no, ma?
Yes,
This
sir.
is the meaning only. I have to receive, not yet receive, correct, right? She has to pay how much now? Per year 1,000, she is not paying, but she has to pay, right? Correct, no, ma? That is my this year only, correct, right? So again I'm adding where, so here only, huh?
Yes, sir.
Outstanding subscription for this year, huh? For this year, how much now?
1,000.
1,000, huh?
Yes, sir.
One entry. One more entry. Wait.
Assets, sir, we will
This
receive.
is income expenditure. I have to pay, I have to receive. Receive. I have to pay liability, right?
Yes,
I
sir.
have to receive where I should write.
Assets.
Outstanding
Subscription.
subscription. How much, ma?
1,000.
1,000. Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
Subscription. Next to salary. Outstanding salary as on 31st/3/2000. 5,000, right?
Yes, sir.
I have to pay, right?
Yes, sir.
This year only. This year expenditure not yet paid. Correct, right? Outstanding salary is what? I have to pay something salary not yet paid. It's my liability. Again also I should add in salary, aware salary. Clear only, right?
Yes, sir.
Outstanding salary. How much, ma?
5,000.
This is minus, right?
Yes,
This is
sir.
last year. Next to double entry over, huh?
Yes, sir.
One. Here one entry, one more entry. We have to pay outstanding salary. Outstanding salary, whole amount.
5,000.
Next to
Half of the interest.
capitalize. So where interest fee? Here on the right.
Yes, sir.
On that we are capitalizing. That means we are transferring to balance sheet. Correct? Huh? Capital means what? There on the right, balance sheet.
Yes, sir.
In this I am taking half. There I am adding. Is it correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Is it correct what I am telling?
Yes, sir.
Half of interest fees are to be capitalized. Totally I have interest fees of rupees
6,000.
on that I am taking half, I am adding capital. Is it correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Meaning is correct. So less half, right? 3,000. 3,000. Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
3,000. Again I should add here only, right?
Yes, sir.
They are only telling capitalized. So I am adding capital. Interest fee how much, ma?
3,000.
Double entry over, huh?
Yes, sir.
One entry. Amount should be double entry. Amount should be that is over. Next what? Depreciation post material by 20% per annum. This is at the beginning. We are giving full year depreciation, right? Correct, Amma?
Yes,
This
sir.
is at the last year only. It is there. Last year balance sheet. This amount is there, right? So how much now depreciation now? 20%. 20% of 35K means what? 7,000. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
One entry. I will pass one more entry. I should pass expenditure, right?
Yes, sir.
Pass there only. Wait. One more sports material is there, right? Right? This also sports material. This also. What? This is we purchased after 6 months. This is before only there. From beginning is there. Correct, right? This is after 6 months we are purchasing. Still 6 months are there, right? Correct, Amma? So I am giving here also less 20%. 20% of 18K into 6 by 12. Into 6 by 12. Is it correct what I am writing?
Yes, sir.
Sure, right?
Yes, sir.
From 110 to 31st because we are preparing in this date. 110 to 31st street, it takes 6 months, right? Correct, Amma?
Yes,
If you
sir.
count it will get 6 months only. So 6 by 12. Here is 12. Month is 12. In a year, 12 months, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
6 by 12. How much of?
1,800.
1,800. This value should be reduced, right? Whatever we are purchasing, that is reduced only. Correct, right, ma? This is how much of? 28,000, na? This one, na? 16,000.
200.
So one entry, this is one entry. One more entry I should pass, right?
Yes, sir.
So this one entry is over. I said adjustments are double entry. One entry. Is it expense or income? Expense. So I should write in expenditure column. Depreciation on
Sports
post
material.
material. There are two depreciation, right?
Yes, sir.
7,000 plus 8,800. All double entries over, huh?
Yes, sir.
Anything is missing, so I should write salary. See how much the total of 25,000. This is last year's salary. Subtract this year's salary outstanding. 20. Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
25,000 minus 7,000 plus 5,000. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
This is last year's salary. This is this year's salary outstanding. So that is final answer. Here, 52, 4, 57, huh? Check what is total. 52,000 this year. This is also we received in advance. That belongs to this year only. Again, also one is outstanding. Totally 57. Correct, right, ma?
Yes, sir.
Next, nothing is missing, huh? First, I should get this closing balance, right? Which side is more?
Credit side, sir.
How much, ma?
72,500.
72,000.
500.
Is it correct? Once again, cross check by anyone?
Yes, sir.
72,000.
500.
Don't write profit because this is what? Not
Not
for
profit.
profit. That's why don't write profit. Surplus you write.
Yes, sir.
Or not?
32,200.
Check once.
Yes, sir.
32. That again we should add profit to capital, right?
Yes,
I'm adding
sir.
here only surplus 32,200. Total of Anyone take this total also? This total amount, ma?
1,90,700.
1,90,700, ah? 1 lakh?
90,700.
This total, ah? 1,85,000? This total, ah?
1,90,000.
Same I should get. Check once.
Yes, sir.
Is it correct, ah?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? Ask any doubt. Full doubt, right? Nothing getting. Ask me. Mike.
Sir, your subscription received in advance is there, sir. We received it last
See, she's asking very good question because if any doubt, no, if you are doing mistake, no, on that only, I am telling. Because of subscription, that you understand clearly. What doubt? No?
Sir, subscription received in advance.
See, this year we received, that is income, right? Income and receipts and payment is there. Receipts is what? We received. That amount is there. Receipts amount how much? 52,000. Right? In receipts, that is there. That is income. See, subscription received in advance. Advance is, that is balance sheet.
Sir, what makes sense? We have to subtract them, sir.
See, you only tell, na? In balance sheet, subscription received in advance, right? Which year subscription that is advance of? You only received, you are the manager, sports club manager, you received advance amount from your public. That belongs to next year or that year or?
Next year.
This year, right? Correct, Mama?
Yes, sir.
I am getting confused or what? Correct, Mama? That belongs to this year, right? They received before only, that belongs to this year. Sure, huh? So I am adding here. This is correct, right? Is it correct, huh? Again, Mahesh. I said no. Important this only. If you are getting confusion because of this only. Huh? I am repeating. That is in balance sheet. Correct, right, ma? That is in liability, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct, ma? I have to transfer. Where? Next year. Liability means what? I have to transfer to, transfer to next year, right? That's why that is in liability. That's why that is in liability side. Correct, right? So that belongs to next year. Means this year. This year I have to add. That is last year only I received. Again, this year also outstanding. See, check one the adjustment. Again, some subscription outstanding, right? I have not received. I said no, Alia should transfer 1,000, but she is not paid. I am expecting from her only, right? This year she has to pay subscription fees of rupees 1,000. I said no, every year they should pay a subscription fees. She took a subscription, she admitted here only for sports club, but not yet paid. So I am expecting that amount. So that also this year, right? I am adding this year. Both are should be added because advance also this year only. This year also should receive something. See, this is double entry, right? Adjustment. So outstanding salary is asset, right? As it is prepaid, so I am writing double entry. Correct? Huh? Here also I wrote, right? Next what doubt? Any doubt? First. Sit down. Again, I am asking any doubt? Sure, huh? You copy this. See, how I solve now? Same method you follow.